Pop-rock royalty na si Yeng Constantino at mister nito na si Yan Asuncion ikinasal muli sa ikalawang pagkakataon. Nitong Miyerkules February 5 kasabay ng 10th wedding anniversary ay nag-renew ng kasal ang mag-asawang Yeng Constantino at Victor Yan Asuncion. Naganap ang renewal of vows ng couple sa The Emerald Events Place sa Antipolo kung saan dinaluhan ng kanilang buong pamilya, mga mahal sa buhay at mga malalapit na kaibigan. Kabilang na sina Casey Tandingan, TJ Monterde, Eric Santos, Christian Bautista, Sam Milby at marami pang iba. Narito panuurin ang mga bidyong na ibahagi mula sa renewal of vows ng couple na sina Yeng Constantino at Yan Asuncion.
Let fear kindle. Number 7. Faith. We will believe in all of God's promises for our marriage. We will hold on to His wisdom and trust in all His ways. 8. Fruitfulness. We will be responsible with what God gives us. Yes. To make it fruitful and abundant, to be able to serve one another and others. 9. Fun. Fully enjoy the goodness and the merit that marriage brings, to take in the blessings and the goodness of God every day. A marriage that will have the eyes for awe and wonder and gratefulness. 10. Love. Finally love. To love each other no matter what. In the highs and lows, in the midst of pure laughter and joy, and the depths of what you won't understand. We will choose to love and not let go.
Wow! Palakpakan naman po natin sila!